So I posted a video about capturing to Todoist using the widgets on Android, and now I want to show you how to move them from Todoist into Notion. Yes, I know you can embed Todoist in Notion, but this is the workaround I like. So you start at the top left of your task and you drag down to the bottom right. Copy those into a Word file. Copy those again. And we're here in Actions, and this should pop up. So there they are. They're where I want them with the properties that I want because I have the filters and the sort set. I'll show you the filter real quick. Done is unchecked. Nope is unchecked. No context. No date. So that's my filter for inbox. And then just sorting first by date created so they show up at the top. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.